What features should be mentioned about PIJ 27-inch curved gaming monitor, 250 Hz? Why you should choose. Next, we are introduce some reasons why you should choose that. Because it has the following features. Smooth 250 Hz gaming visuals. Experience fluid motion in fast-paced games with a 250 Hz refresh rate and 1 millisecond response time. The high refresh rate helps reduce motion blur and provides a more responsive feel, while the 1800R curvature of the 27-inch VA panel wraps the image around your field of view for a more immersive experience. Tear-free gameplay with adaptive sync. This monitor supports both AMD FreeSync and G-Sync compatibility via DisplayPort. This technology synchronizes the monitor's refresh rate with your graphics card's frame rate, minimizing screen tearing and stuttering during gaming for smoother visuals. Ergonomic design and eye care. Tilt the monitor forward or backward, -4 degrees to +15 degrees, to find a comfortable viewing angle. For advanced setups, it supports 100 by 100 mm VESA mounting, flicker-free technology and a low blue light mode help reduce eye strain during extended use, making it suitable for long gaming sessions or work. Versatile connectivity and built-in speakers. Experience fluid motion and reduced screen stutter with the 250 Hz high refresh rate, delivering a smooth and responsive gaming experience. Note: the default refresh rate is 60 Hz. HDMI inputs support up to 120 Hz, while DisplayPort inputs support the full 250 Hz. To enable 250 Hz, connect your PC using the supplied DP cable and adjust the setting in your display properties. For flexible connectivity, the monitor features two HDMI 2.0 and two DisplayPort 1.4 inputs, allowing you to connect multiple devices such as gaming PCs and consoles. Built-in dual speakers provide convenient audio, and a headphone jack is available for private listening. Vibrant FHD color and contrast. Enjoy sharp details with Full HD, 1920 by 1080 resolution. The monitor delivers 98% sRGB color gamut coverage and 8-bit color depth for rich, accurate colors. With a 3000:1 contrast ratio and 300 candelas per square centimeter brightness, it produces deeper blacks and brighter whites, enhancing detail in both bright and dark scenes. If you want to get full highlight features and/or full reviews, please visit the link in YouTube description. Thanks for watching. We hope this video satisfied for you, and make sure to press that like button and share this video with your friends. And important, don't forget to press subscribe to get instant notifications of all future uploads.